Today we're gonna set up my toddler's Trader Joe's at home. He loves to pretend play and he loves to go to the real Trader Joe's. I wanted to repurpose our Trader Joe's bags. You can definitely put your own spin on it. It could be pretend play, any type of store. So here goes.
Welcome to Dear. I is play together.
He is sitting right next to me playing with the food, and I might ask him for a little help too. So let's get started. You can use whatever pretend food you have at home. You can even use real packaged food as long as you're supervising. As you set it up with them, you can teach them some vocabulary. And can you give me the blue bun, please?
Blue bun? Yeah.
Can you put an apple up there, please?
Apple.
If you set it up with them, it can be very interactive. You could also set it up and surprise them. I've tried both ways. No correct way to do this. Just do it in whatever way you think is fun and engaging for them. Also, if your child speaks more than one language, like our child does, it's a great way to practice the two languages and making connections by repeating the food. Example, what is this one called? Great. How about in Chinese? 中文呢? 太极. 你改咩? 食咩? It's really fun to practice. I think it's looking pretty good. We finished setting up our Trader Joe's. I've touched up a bit. Let's go shopping now. 你想買咩? What do you want to buy? When they pretend play going to a real life grocery store, they can practice some life skills and different concepts such as understanding that if they buy something, they have to pay for it. And they bring it back home.
Mango?
That was a total of $50. Thank you for paying, sir. You can bring it home. And now I'm gonna give you a special Trader Joe's bag. Now we're gonna load things into the car and go home.
Go home?
Thank you. Oh, hold on. Can you bring Blue to the car? Oh, okay, Blue's going home. We are driving home now.
Library.
You're driving to the library?
Mama,
Hi, Tia. Oh. Thanks for sticking with us today. I'm Eunice, founder of Dear. Join us for more creative activities, toy reviews, and simple strategies to nurture your child's character. And big announcement, stay tuned because our Dear website and play kits are launching this spring. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.